Honey, wake up. The new phrasal verbs just dropped. All right, today we are tackling 50 phrasal verbs. Are you ready? Starting with emotions and reactions. First one, freak out. That's to panic suddenly, like she freaked out when she saw the bill. Lash out. That's to attack verbally or physically. He lashed out at his coworkers in the meeting. Bottle up means to hide your feelings. Don't bottle up your anger, talk about it. Blow up means to explode emotionally. He blew up at me over nothing. Get over, to recover from something. So it took her months to get over the breakup. Mess up means to make a mistake. I really messed up that presentation. Let someone down, to disappoint someone. Like, I promised to help and I let her down. Come across as, appear to be. He comes across as arrogant, but he's really nice. Hit it off, to connect well from the start. Like, we hit it off immediately. And off or tick off means to make someone angry. Don't me off this morning, or don't tick me off this morning. Next ones are about ideas and decisions. First one, figure out means to understand or solve something. For example, I can't figure out how this app works. Come up with, to invent or suggest something. She came up with a brilliant idea. Go over means to review. Hey, let's go over the plan one more time. Bring up, to start talking about a topic. Please don't bring up any politics or religion at dinner. Talk over, to discuss thoroughly. We talked it over before deciding, and we're having a baby. Back up means to support an idea or files. Can you back up your claim with facts? Stick to follow strictly. I'm sticking to my routine this time. Go for, choose or attempt. I'm going for the manager position. Okay, I'm going for the manager position. Take in, absorb information. That lecture was a lot to take in. Rule out, eliminate as an option. I'm not ruling out moving abroad. I might do it. Next 10 are related to people and their behavior. Show off, to brag or display. He's always showing off his new car. Suck up to means to act fake just to impress someone. Like, stop sucking up to the teacher, or stop sucking up to your boss. Look down on, to think you're better than someone else. They look down on people without degrees. Flake out means to cancel a plan at the last minute. Oh man, she flaked out on dinner again. Check up on, to see if someone's okay. Hey, did you check up on Matt? Is everything all right with him? Next one, turn out, to end up being a certain way. For example, he seemed like a lazy worker, but he turned out to be a great manager. Fit in, to be accepted. I never really fit in at that school. Get along, or get along with, to have a good relationship with someone. Do you get along with your neighbors? Come off as, okay, to seem like. You come off as too intense sometimes. And act up means to misbehave or malfunction. My knee's acting up again, or the kids were acting up today. The next 10 are related to problems and workarounds. Run into, to encounter unexpectedly. We ran into a problem, or I ran into my ex. Hold up means to delay something. Sorry, I'm late. I got held up. To deal with, to handle a problem. I can't deal with this right now. Maybe later today. Call me and I'll deal with it then. Run out of, to have nothing left. Oh man, we ran out of coffee. Cut off, to interrupt or lose connection. Excuse me, you cut me off while I was speaking. To end up, to eventually do or be something. You know, she ended up moving to Australia. Fill in, to replace or provide info. Hey, can you fill in for me tomorrow? Or can you fill me in on what the meeting was about? I arrived late. Check in on or check in with means to follow up or report, okay? Hey, boss. Hi, I'm just checking in on what I have to do today. Slip up, to make a small mistake. Ooh, he slipped up and called her by the wrong name. Catch up, to reach the same level or update. Hey, I need to catch up on work, so I have to stay late in the office. Or, hey, let's catch up soon, okay? I have to go. And the last 10 are about movement, work, or social life. Drop by, to visit casually. Hey, feel free to drop by anytime. Head out, to leave. I'm heading out, see you later. Show up, arrive. She didn't show up to the meeting. Log in or log out, to access an account. Don't forget to log out when you're done, or here's the password for you to log in. Sign up for, register. I signed up for yoga classes. Step up, take responsibility. Hey, listen, it's time for you to step up, okay? It's time for you to take some responsibility. Call off, cancel. Because of the rain, they decided to cancel or they decided to call off the meeting. Get back to, reply later. I'm really sorry, I'm so busy, I'll get back to you later. Take off, become successful. His YouTube channel really took off. And finally, pull off means to succeed unexpectedly. They pulled off a huge win. So how many of these phrasal verbs did you know before? Which phrasal verbs surprised you? Or which ones do you actually use? Let me know in the comments. And if you want 50 more, then please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and the notification bell. See you next time on the channel. Bye-bye.